If I bump a friend by mistake, or drop a toy that someone made, I take a breath and start to care. I'm sorry shows that I'm aware.
I can say sorry, it's okay. We all learn and grow each day. When I care, my heart can show. Kindness helps our friendships grow. If my words come out too loud, or I hurt a friend somehow,
I stop and look them in the eye. I'm sorry helps the tears go dry.
I can say sorry, it's okay. We all learn and grow each day. When I care, my heart can show. Kindness helps our friendships grow.
When I share and make amends,
That's how we stay the best of friends.
saying sorry, shaking hands,
Shows the love that always stands. What do we say? I'm sorry! What comes next? Let's fix it! What do we feel? Caring heart! That's how true friendship starts. I can say sorry, kind and true. Making peace is what we do. Every time we care and share, saying sorry shows we care.
when we forgive, our hearts feel light.
Sorry turns wrongs into right.
And when we care, we always find
A little